YouTube Cecil Parker. It is Michelangelo Arcane more videos that Cecil's doing it today. Okay, I got 2 open crystals, 6 unopened crystals, and 9 unopened crystals, and 3 unopened crystals, and 1 unopened crystal, and including 2 premium heroes. So let's start the arena crystal first. So let's begin. Oh, I need to add more. To continue. Okay, that's all it is. Open up 7 crystals. Yes! 29,000 gold, 15 units. Got 21 more crystals. Actually, this is like 20. Yeah. Because one has to fight. I don't know why it's showing it. Including the She Strike now, which I gotta claim it right now. Ooh, okay, I'm not making, that's like a glitch. Something else type. Okay. Yeah, it's about the daily special and the one is offers. Let's go back to the crystals now. Now this is gonna be a long video to do. Alright then. We'll start with the daily crystal. Alright. Just get on set. Let me see this. Alright. Go. Boom. Really? I really hate 1-star characters. Guys, I need to sell one star character. I need to sell a character. I really need to. But now this video now, I'm going to show it to you. Because that would be weird. Alright then. Let's continue. Okay, I have 3 unopened crystals free. So, let's open the thing. Whoa! Okay. 1,250 gold and 1 level 2 revive. Revives 1 champion and restores 30% health. So, let's go back to the crystals. I sent out all these messages. Alright. Go to the quest crystals. Alright. Stop this. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Tier 1, iOS 8. Stop this. Oh, okay. It's another Tier 1 iOS 8. Let's open and send the rest of them. Okay. The 6 Tier 1 basic iOS 8 and 3 Tier 2 basic iOS 8. Okay, this game is lit. Alright. Oh. Says I'll open crystals. Alright. Whoa. Okay. 1 Tier 1 basic iOS 8, 200 battle chips and 600 gold. Let's open up the 2 open crystals. This side 1. Okay. Just some new characters. Keep that one. Come on, new character! Yes! 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 Finally! Another Iron Man! 2-star superior Iron Man! Let's start more. Okay, there's Charger now. There's Magneto. That's Black Widow. Let's stop this and tap. So 3, 2, 1. Nah. Look out there again. Look out there. Look out there. No! 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 Darn it, darn it. Okay. Oh, this bonus for it. Okay, I got a new one. Superior Iron Man, 168 damage. Alright, let's go after the crystals for 2. Finish those. B-boy. Okay, bring here a crystal. New character. New character. New character. Please, new character. Yeah, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booyah. Another completely. Stupid game. Oh my. Let's skip this. Let's skip this. Okay, this was 4-star characters. Do you stop? Wee boy. Oh great, now this is boring. No, this is boring now. I know it's boring because of the way it is. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, that's my chance! Yes! And the 3-star evil crystal! Oh my god, no character! No character! Thank you very much! Oh my gosh! Okay. No character! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Captain America! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Holy shit! Oh my god! 340 damage! Holy shit! Oh my gosh! This is the greatest time of my life! Oh my gosh! Another one! Oh my gosh! This is awesome! Oh my gosh! Man, this is always great news! Oh my gosh! You used to be part of the worstest challenge! Oh my gosh! Let's see. Okay, he's here! He's here! Oh my gosh! There's some little green stuff, okay. Alright, I need to move the camera, sorry about that. So it's level 3 now. Alright, what's the new one? Oh, sorry about that. So this guy, cause yeah, he's boring. Okay, lap episode. Okay. Alright, I'll create him. Whoa, we have a line. Okay, let's see. Wait, snap one. God. Alright, we did it. Oh. Okay, I got another big prize. This baby have the whole thing to its own. Level him up. Whoa! All the way up. Oh my gosh. Let's leave him now. Oh, okay, 250. And that's I need like 2 more. So Angels doing 9 to that. I am Groot. Alright guys, please leave me a comment and subscribe for more. Oh yeah. Please leave me a comment, everybody. Subscribe.